Hi friends, myself Soham Ramnani.
And myself, Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in you. Hello friends, I'm Mrs. Roma Ramnani and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a sketch of human head. The material required is a TK sheet. You can take any other sheet for sketching, and I have some here grade pencils like 6B, 4B, 2B and E pencil. So the darkest is the E pencil. So it's up to you what you are using. So we'll start with 2B. The basic sketch will be with 2B. So first draw an oval shape for the human head. The T-zone, the nose, lips, the chin. So the ears will come at this part. Now the eyebrows will come here on the top. We'll rub the T-bar now. The reference lines will rub. For the nose, first the nostrils. We'll make it lighter. Just the reference lines. Now we'll make it symmetrical on the both sides. We'll rub it slightly. T-zone. The jawline should be same on both the sides. So now we'll start using the darker pencils, 6B, and we'll take the E. even take a piece of paper, just scribble the pencil over here and then use a bud. I'm using 6B. You can use any pencil, just see whether the pencil is pointed and then use it. You can even make these sketches with water soluble pencils. I am showing this with Camlin 6B pencil and Staedtler E pencil. You can even do it with water soluble color pencils, which I'll show you in my next video. You have to use an earbud for merging. With finger you cannot merge so much, so it is advisable that it is better to use an earbud.